Last, now everybody go to breakfast.
I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Break my heart, you can kiss my ass. Never knew ya, got a new man, what's it to ya? I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, I'm a...
Hey loves, thanks for clicking on this video and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is amaserwaahP and you're welcome to the family. Today I'm in New York City. I'm spending the whole day in New York City and I thought let me just vlog what I'm gonna be doing in the city today. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me and show you everything that I'm gonna be doing in the city today. Shopping is a must. Vanderbilt, I really want to go over there, and any other thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So buckle up, we're going for a long ride. So we're getting ready to go get some lunch. I'm so hungry. It's 1:50 right now and it's kind of cold outside. I didn't think it was gonna be like this cold.
I guess it must be true. The future lives in you. The future lives in you. Yeah, the future lives in you. I guess it must be true. The future lives in you. The future lives in you. Yeah, the future lives in you. I can't begin to tell you how.
Yeah, we're gonna have a house special fried rice.
Special fried rice.
Yeah, and some Korean spicy chicken wings
Korean spicy chicken wings.
with vegetable spring rolls.
Vegetable spring roll.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing. Let's make
Now everybody go to breakfast. Last, now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did by default.
Eternity later.
Hey loves, good morning. It's another day. I don't think I can ever finish a vlog that is supposed to finish in a day. I don't think I can do that. Well, unfortunately we could not do all of the activities that we wanted to do yesterday. Time was just going by so fast. Honestly, we couldn't do anything at all, so we just postponed everything to the next day. We're gonna do the bowling today, we're gonna do the Vanderbilt today. We did the shopping yesterday, so this thing because we're so late. It started at 11 and it's 11:30 now, and boy, we're not even close to anywhere. I'm gonna cry. But I'm looking so good, so I can't wear my makeup though.
all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny.
Say bye bye yo, to the love of my life, my ayo. Don't cry yo, I need to go and shadow. 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 I need to go and
what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing.
Okay guys, we just finished watching the movie. It was 10 out of 10. I loved it. It was good. And today has been amazing. Everything is like super good. This is the end of today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know in the comment section if you did. Catch you in my next video. Bye.